Mathsters, and welcome to another math lesson. We have been learning all about different flat shapes and their attributes. And today we are going to take those flat shapes we've learned about and learn about position words and where we can place those shapes. So our math thinking job is I can describe a flat shape position using next to, below, above, in front of, beside. So let's look at our position words before we dive in to positioning the shapes. We're going to be looking at the position word next to. When something is next to you, or so I have my cup and I have my phone. My cup and my phone are next to each other. Then we have the word above. Notice how the ant is above the other ant. So if I have my cup, my phone is above my cup. Then we have the word beside, which is super close to next to. Beside is beside, my phone is beside the cup. Then we have the word behind. The sun is behind the cloud. My phone is behind my cup. Behind. Just like when you stand in line, you are behind someone. Let's try this one, in front of. So we learned about behind. Now we're going to talk about in front of. So if I have my cup, my phone is in front of my cup. You also can look at it the side view. My phone is in front of my cup. Just like when you're standing in line, you're behind someone, but you have someone in front of you. And then we have below. We talked about above. Now my phone is below something. Your teacher might pause the video and talk about these position words a little bit more. Let's practice using our position words. So we're going to focus on the words behind, above, in front of, and below. So here we go. I'm going to start by drawing a shape with 4 sides that are exactly the same length behind the elephant. So before I do that, your teacher's going to pause the video. You might be following along with your own elephant, or your teacher might be doing it on their screen or their board. But I need you to tell me what shape I should be drawing. Again, I'm going to draw a shape with 4 straight sides that are exactly the same length. All right. I know a shape that has 4 straight sides that are exactly the same length is a square. I'm going to draw behind. Behind the elephant would be right here. I'm going to draw my square behind the elephant. When we're drawing shapes, we're doing the best we can. All right, so I drew a square behind the elephant. Here's my next one. I'm going to be doing above the elephant. I need to draw a shape that has no corners. Your teacher's going to pause the video and you guys are going to talk about what shape should I be drawing? A shape no corners. A shape that we've learned that has no corners is a circle. A circle. And I'm going above. So I'm going to put it above the elephant. Above the elephant. All right, my next one is going to go in front of the elephant. I'm drawing a shape with 3 straight sides. Your teacher's going to pause the video and you are going to discuss what shape should I be drawing. A shape that we learned that has 3 straight sides is a triangle. 3 straight sides is a triangle. I'm going to go in front of the elephant, so that means it's in front of the elephant's trunk. So 3 straight sides. Again, we are learning how to draw our shapes. We're doing the best we can. All right, the next one is going to be below the elephant, below. And this shape, I'm going to draw a shape with 4 sides. 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. Your teacher's going to pause the video and discuss what shape should I be drawing. We've learned a shape that has 2 long sides and 2 short sides is a rectangle. We're going below, we're going to go below the elephant. So I'm going right underneath the elephant's feet. 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Again, we're just beginning to draw our shapes. We're doing the best we can. All right. We're going to do one more shape, and I'm going to do next to the rectangle, okay? Next to the rectangle. This is a challenge shape. Next to the rectangle, which is below the elephant, I need to draw a shape with 6 straight sides. Your teacher's going to pause the video, and you guys are going to tell me what shape I should be drawing next to the rectangle. I should be drawing a hexagon. I know a hexagon has 6 straight sides and 6 corners. I'm going to go next to the rectangle below the elephant. I'm going to do the best I can to draw a hexagon. It's a tricky shape. Here we go. 1 side, 2 sides, 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides. See, I got to erase my shape. Hexagons are a tricky, tricky shape. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so we have a circle above, a square behind, a triangle in front of, a rectangle below, and a hexagon next to. You're going to get a chance to practice positioning shapes. So you can listen to the audio directions that tell you where to move and color the shapes, but here are the directions for your seesaw activity. So you're going to find the shape first that has 4 straight sides and move it above the duck and then color it blue. Then you're going to find the shape with no corners, drag it behind the duck and color it yellow. Then you're going to find the shape with 3 straight sides, drag it below the duck and color it green. Then you're going to find the shape with 4 sides. 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. And then you're going to drag it beside the circle and color that shape red. Then you're going to find the shape with 6 straight sides and 6 corners. Drag it in front of the duck and color it orange. And then find the shape with curves and corners. Drag it next to the square and color it purple. Remember, you need to drag the shape first before you can color it in Seesaw. All right, Kipsters, till next time.